Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make a awesome appetizer for any summer barbecue. We are going to make a grilled prosciutto wrapped brie cheese with a little bit of truffle honey. It is that good, it sounds good, it tastes good, and you are gonna love it. And honestly, it's really easy. It sounds complex, it sounds complicated, but it is not. It is super easy and super delicious, and there's no reason to just not get started. So you are going to start by laying out your prosciutto. Usually it comes with paper like this to pull it apart, which makes it pretty easy. And you're just going to lay it out like so. You're going to kind of do like a pinwheel all the way around, because then we're going to get our cheese right in the center of it. Now, don't go crazy if a piece breaks or you have a hole in it, because you can actually just make up with it with the next slice. So just kind of like get it out, overlapping so that there are no holes for the cheese to fall through. So just keep pulling it out and lay it out like so until you have a full circle. So after you have your prosciutto laid out, you're going to take your either square or circle of brie cheese and put a little bit of truffle honey on top. If you don't have truffle honey, regular honey, or any other like kind of flavored infused honey works. It all kind of goes pretty well. And then you're going to spread it out with a spoon like so and stick it face down, honey side down in the center of the prosciutto. You're then going to repeat that, do the same thing on the side that's up, and just rub that honey all around, nice and sticky. Then you're going to start folding up the prosciutto. Again, it's okay if it breaks you just a little bit. You just want to make sure that every part is covered eventually. So as you're folding up, if one part breaks, kind of just cover it with like the next piece. It sounds like it might not work, but it does, so, you know, just kind of like duck it in there as you go around. Super easy. So you have a nice kind of pouch of the brie cheese in the middle with the prosciutto all around. You can take a little peek and just tuck in anywhere that you have to, but then it's time to get out to your grill. So what we're gonna wanna do is turn our grill up all the way to high and really have it cranking. We're gonna get that high heat going, and then once the grill is at full temperature, I would say about 475, a little bit higher is fine too, grills can really get up there, then just go ahead and kick it down to medium. That way the grill is hot, 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 but you're lowering the heat to medium. After we kick the heat down to medium, we're gonna just drop on our prosciutto wrapped brie cheese and grill it for 3 minutes on one side on medium heat, and then flip it over and grill it 3 minutes on the other. You're gonna wanna just make sure to lightly handle it with tongs so that you don't pull off any of the prosciutto, and honestly, that's it. Pull it off, grab some crackers, and enjoy. And that is it. After those 6 simple minutes on the grill, you have this delicious prosciutto wrapped brie cheese appetizer. It is so good. I love it. I dig right in. Oh my God, it is amazing. You are gonna love it too. And people are gonna be really impressed, and it's super freaking easy. So make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.